Hi, this is Pankuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today I'm going to review a film which I'm sure the Gen X must have been eagerly waiting for. I'm talking about Mohit Suri's Half-Girlfriend, which is based on Chetan Bhagat's eponymous bestseller. So let's find out what this much publicized film has to offer. The film story is same as the novel, but for those who've not read it, it revolves around Madhav Jha from Bihar, who gets admission in one of Delhi's elite colleges through sports quota. Madhav, who can't speak English, falls for college it girl Riya Somani the moment he lays his eyes upon her. The duo bonds over basketball and soon Riya becomes his half-girlfriend. However, they soon get separated और माधव उसकी याद में देवदास बन जाता है. मिलने बिछड़ने की स्टोरी में फाइनली क्या होता है ये जानने के लिए you'll have to watch Half-Girlfriend. अर्जुन कपूर has played the protagonist माधव और वो किसी भी एंगल से कॉलेज स्टूडेंट नहीं दिख रहे हैं. I so wish मोहित ने उन्हें वेट लूज करने के लिए प्रेशराइज किया होता because he is looking very bulky on screen. On top of that, Arjun has the same dazed expression throughout, but that's how he is in most of his films. उन्होंने बिहारी एक्सेंट में बोलने की कोशिश की है, ज़्यादा impressive नहीं है, but I'll give him some points for efforts. Also, what disappoints you is that the protagonist is not a hero in any way. He doesn't have a mind of his own, he has no ambition. पहले उसे लड़की घुमाती है और फिर वो सब काम धंधा छोड़कर लड़की के पीछे घूमता है. Shraddha Kapoor is playing Riya Somani and it seems that she did no prep for her character. She's playing a basketball player, लेकिन basketball court में जैसी उनकी body language है, it will make any athlete squirm. Shraddha has been in the industry for quite some years now and it's high time she works on her acting skills. Shraddha Kapoor may be a star but she is definitely not an actress. Aadhi film में you'll only be wondering why is she behaving this way. Vikrant Messi has played Madhav's friend Sailesh and though his character is half-baked, he has performed well and is convincing in his role. Seema Biswas is good as Madhav's stern and caring mother. Riya Chakrabarti also has a small role in the film and she is quite forgettable. There's nothing much to mention about the rest of the cast. Now let's talk about the film. I used to read Chetan Bhagat but then I stopped and after watching this film, I am so proud of my decision. I have not read this book but film देखने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि इस बुक को अडैप्ट करना एक बहुत ही गलत डिसीजन था. This film is not only cliched but also very regressive. आज पूजा कल दूजा वाले जमाने में एक लड़का सालों साल एक लड़की के लिए रोता रहता है जिसे उसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. He is nothing but a psycho stalker and we definitely don't want such heroes, so it's high time that Bollywood stops glorifying such characters. 3 साल एक एलीट कॉलेज में पढ़ने के बावजूद माधव की इंग्लिश बिल्कुल इंप्रूव नहीं होती एंड दैट्स अ लिटिल सरप्राइजिंग. फिल्म में माधव जब अपने दोस्तों को बताता है कि रिया उसकी हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड है तो उसका एक दोस्त उससे पूछता है, भाई कौन सा हाफ? ये क्वेश्चन हम भी मोहित और चेतन से पूछना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डज हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड मीन. मूवी के 2 गाने फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगा एंड स्टे अ लिटिल लॉन्गर गा के उन्होंने इतना पकाया है कि एज द फिल्म ड्रैग्स ऑन ऑडियंस सिर्फ ये सोचती है कि और कितना लॉन्गर स्टे करे, अब हमसे ना हो पाएगा. A love story depends totally on the lead pair's chemistry, but this film fails miserably here as you just don't feel the spark between Arjun and Shraddha. Despite being fresh, their pairing is a damn squib. फिल्म में और भी काफी कमियां हैं, जैसे एक सीन में आप श्रद्धा को कॉलेज कैंपस में भीगते हुए देखते हैं एंड इन द नेक्स्ट सीन शी इज ऑल ट्राई. Vikrant Messi gives his jacket to Arjun Kapoor who is 4 times his size and it fits him perfectly. फिल्म में ऐसे बहुत सारे सीन्स हैं जो आपको सोच में डाल देंगे कि ये चल क्या रहा है. The film has been shot well but Mohit has fumbled the ball miserably this time. The screenplay is weak, the songs make the narrative all the more boring and the dialogues are pretty average. Watch this film if you are a Chetan Bhagat, Shraddha Kapoor or Arjun Kapoor fan. If not, then I will strongly recommend that you give Half-Girlfriend a miss. I give this film a rating of 1.5 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.